So you can start.
All right, yeah, I got it.
Okay. So we're going to go over HELP today. And first of all, we're going to be looking at a child's gross motor abilities. And this child is going to be 4 years old. So we have to go to where it says 4 years old on the chart.
Gabby.
I'll show you Gabby. Sorry, can you see where it says 4?
Yeah.
And what we do is we start 6 months younger than the child's chronological age. So we're going to start where it's 3 years and 6 months. We go on up the chart until we find the first skill that the kid should be able to do, and it is rides tricycle with pedals to maneuver around obstacles, turn, stop, and start. And that is shown as labeled as a number 0.160. And because we're in the domain of gross motor, that has a 3 next to it. So we're looking for the skill that corresponds to 3.160. So we flip it over, and there's a chart, and we're going to find that number. So let me go down the list. 3.160. Okay. So that corresponds to age 3.6-4.4. So we have to then find that in the administration manual. So we have to go to the gross motor, first of all. This is at the top in very small font. And then let me find where it says 3.160, because that was the strand that we identified on the chart. Great. And it says 3.160, rides tricycle with pedals to maneuver around obstacles, turn, stop, and start. So we found what we were looking for in the book. And now it gives you criteria of what this kid should be able to do. So it says like, the child will get on a tricycle and pedal forward without touching his feet to the ground and negotiate a turn without bumping into any obstacles.
So one thing we learned, it actually has 2 levels.
Mm-hmm.
So the levels basically mean, see, like this one says level 2.
Right.
Level 2 means it was observed during natural play, so the kid was just kind of doing it and you saw it. Level 1 means that you set it up and it has steps for how to set it up. But odds are, since we're doing this in a classroom that probably doesn't have a tricycle, we won't be able to do it.
Yeah. But in general, level 1 means you set it up for the kid to be like, I would like you to see you riding this tricycle. And level 2, it's just like you were in the clinic, the kid spontaneously did this, you observed it.
Is that differentiated on the score sheet?
It says it in the manual for you, which is what you'd have to like look up. But the scoring, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Pause
Okay.
for a moment.
Hang on, 1 second. Here.
Oh, I'll turn it off and then